In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to design great buttons in Figma. We'll move from finding inspiring, high-quality button patterns to bringing them into your own project and tailoring them to your style. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, how to evaluate what you find, and how to make it yours. First, head over to Figma. You can use the desktop app or your browser. The experience is the same for what we're doing today. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and open the community. This is Figma's built-in library of resources created and shared by designers around the world. It's an incredible way to learn from real examples and accelerate your workflow without starting from a blank canvas. In the community, use the search bar and type buttons. Keep it simple. You'll see a wide range of results: component libraries, UI kits, and focused explorations of button styles. If you want to refine, you can scan for files that mention variants, auto layout, or design systems, as those hints usually mean the buttons are easy to adapt. Sorting by relevancy or popularity can also help surface well-structured files. Open the results that catch your eye to preview them. Take a moment to assess the design quality. Look for clear states like default, hover, pressed, and disabled. Check whether the components use auto layout for flexible padding, and whether typography and spacing feel cohesive. If accessibility matters in your project, make sure the color contrast looks strong enough for text to remain legible on different backgrounds. When you find a set you like, click Open in Figma. This action brings the file into your workspace so you can inspect layers, tweak styles, and experiment without affecting the original. Give the file a quick tour. Note how the components are organized and named. Good naming now will save you time later when you integrate everything into your design. From here, you can redesign any buttons you like and copy and paste them into your existing work. Adjust corner radius, spacing, and typography to match your brand. If icons are included, align them with your text baseline and set consistent padding on all sides. Consider building or keeping variants for different states so your prototypes feel polished. Keep contrast high for readability and make sure interactive targets remain comfortably tappable. If you're using component-based workflows, paste buttons as components so updates remain consistent across screens. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.